The Supreme Court is about to decide on the deportation of millions of people. I'm an immigration lawyer with more than 35 years' experience. Let me tell you what's happening. Late Friday, September 19th, the Trump administration asked the Supreme Court for an emergency order to let Homeland Security deport over 300,000 Venezuelans who are allowed legally into the United States during the Biden administration. This request went up to the Supreme Court as an emergency after a lower federal judge told the Department of Homeland Security that they cannot end temporary protected status for Venezuelans early. So here's the crux of the issue. Can the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security end temporary protected status with a stroke of a pen, without any reasoning, without any analysis, and just decide they want to deport people who are otherwise here legally under law? If the court grants the request, the Department of Homeland Security can start deporting Venezuelans as of November 7th. And that's going to affect the millions of other people who are legally here under temporary protected status, because if the Supreme Court finds in favor of the Trump administration, they won't be giving any others on temporary protected status any sort of protection either, marking them for deportation. So if you have TPS, speak with a qualified attorney about other options you may have before it's too late.